If I get your video?
Not at all.
All right. Do you mind if I get a video?
Oh, no, yeah.
All right, on.
What's up?
Do you mind if I get your video?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Okay, cool. If it's okay if I get your video.
Okay.
Okay.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Show because we had all Tesla models, S3, X, and Y, and which pairs of sunglasses do I wear? Hey, because I'm all electric, baby.
She's electric.
Hey. I love my electric car. It's not just around town for groceries and stuff. I do road trips and car shows. And how do you like it?
It's not the car that I go to.
Oh no. Oh yay. Welcome to the Green Homes Tour. What is a Green Homes Tour, you may ask? Inside their booklet, it says, "Thank you for joining us to visit some of the metro area's most cutting-edge homes that have showcased innovation in saving energy, water, while providing healthier indoor atmosphere. By visiting with your neighbors, you can get ideas for saving money while living better in your own home." The tour this year includes homes where you learn about home solar system, electric vehicle charging, heat pumps, water-wise landscaping. There is nothing like a chance to eyeball technologies while you may read about or talk to folks who living and using this technology. Never in the 27 years of the tour's history has the stakes been higher and the opportunities greater. Inflation Reduction Act signed in this summer by the President Biden offers the most comprehensive effort to address climate change. The tour offers a way to better understand how these technologies work. The urgency continues to grow. Headlines from around the world show climate change here and now with fires, droughts, and floods. Extreme heat. Here in Colorado, the air quality is so poor burning fossil fuels, our health is endangered every day. Urgency to stop burning fossil fuel has never been greater. Join us for the Electric Vehicle Roundup in Golden. And then the after party. This is the inside of the Mountaineering Center. They were kind enough to let me display my things while I drove the couple around to see green homes. Rivian.
My name's Dave.
Caroline. Nice to meet you. Hi, Suzanne. Suzanne, it's so nice to meet you guys. Yeah. So how long have you had the truck?
3 months.
Oh, wow.
We've done just about everything you can do with it. We've off-roaded, we've towed a camper trailer, we drag raced it.
That's odd. How did it do towing? No.
Well, I mean, it does great. It just sucks up a lot of battery.
Does it feel like you're towing anything?
You can accelerate uphill.
Yeah.
We have a Tesla Model 3 Performance as well.
That's awesome.
Also a supercharged Dodge Challenger Hellcat. So.
And then you're with a dealership?
Yeah, I'm with Larry Miller Ford in Lakewood.
So you got the knobs and buttons. 57, okay.
Yeah, this is XLT, so it's a step above the base. You have the Pro, XLT, Larry, and then Platinum are the 4 different.
Okay,
levels.
there's 4 different ones.
This
So
one
cool.
has the 12-inch screen.
How many miles of range?
So on the standard range, the regular one is 230 miles, and then on the extended range, it jumps it up to 320. You get another 90 miles of range out of it, and then that's, if you're towing, stuff like that, it's going to change it. But that's their estimated range on the regular and extended range.
And then you're with a dealership?
Yeah, I'm with Larry Miller Ford in Lakewood.
Cool, thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I hate this big screen. I absolutely hate it. Like trying to just
I love this. Hi, I'm Caroline.
Hi, Caroline.
Very nice to meet you, Steve.
Why do we pick blue?
Yeah.
Because we like blue. And
Oh,
there's so
okay.
damn many white ones out there.
Yeah, it's true.
So many white ones. Okay, we also have the Fiat 500e. We decided that as retired folks, we only need one car, and this is our main car. However, we thought all we really need is 1.5 cars. That one gets us 300 miles per charge. This only gets about 80, which is why I'm trying to plug it into the charger now, so it can get back home. It will make it to DIA, but it won't make it back unless we stop at a charger. We live in Roxborough. Southwest, and it's about 30 miles to get to here. That is an 80 mile. So I thought it might be nice to put a little more in to make sure I get back home.
Oh, okay.
80 or 85, and we just use it for running short errands on the list. That one has been to the coast and back half a dozen, but we really love it.
Yeah.
But not all in one trip. The Fiat we bought it used, and we bought it in 2019. It's a 2016 because they don't sell those new in Colorado. They're only available in California, Oregon, Washington to bring up Chrysler's fleet rate. But after they've been on like a lease for 3 years, they went out into the world and we picked one up. And for those who are shopping for one, to do just a little bit of running around, it has doubled in value. It doesn't happen when you buy used cars.
Yeah.
I'm Joe.
And what do you drive?
I drive a Mustang Mach E GT. What I love about my car, I like not going to the gas station ever. Just waking up and driving off in the mornings. It's nice, and it's quick. It's fun to drive. Special experience. I don't think so. I mean, I think the most interesting experience to get is on trips, and you run into people at fast chargers, and everybody always wants to stop and get out and hang out and talk like folks here. And I think that's kind of a special thing in the EV world, you know.
So what is your name?
Carl Roscoe,
And what do you drive?
Polestar 2.
And how do you like it?
It's not the car that I hoped it would be.
Oh no.
No, it's so much better.
Oh yay!
Is that a Tesla? Yeah, nobody
And-
actually knows what it is, but yeah. Drove it up Pikes Peak a couple weeks ago. That was fun. Coming down wasn't as much fun because the flat land was so slow, so I couldn't get any regen out of it.
And then why EVs?
Because the future? Yeah, there's no going back.
There you go.
Yeah, I was just talking to another guy, you know, he said, somebody asked him if he would go back to ice, and I said, would you go back to riding a horse? You know, I mean, if you want to take it backwards, let's just go backwards all the way.
Whose Chinese car?
It's our friend using the restroom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you want to know about it?
Um,
Probably know more.
how many miles of range?
He doesn't have a clue.
Oh, okay. There was one like a Alibaba here in April. That was really interesting too. Yeah. So it's just one seat or two seats? Oh, it's one. Oh, okay.
It doesn't come with a battery. It's like $4,000 to buy it, and $3,000 to ship it here, and then it just doesn't come with a battery.
Interesting. Yeah. Huh.
We just went and bought a battery.
Yeah.
So I don't know what it is for range.
Hey, I know you guys.
Hey, Caroline.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. How's it going?
Good to see ya.
Good to see you. Yeah. Long time no see. There we go. Yeah. So, you know, if I'm not out doing interviews, here I am.
Boy, you have a setup here.
Yeah. So from what I did inside the building, I just pull it out around the car, and people go, "There's a car under there."
I know. It's great. This is fun. This is very fun.
Isn't this? I was like, this is a great turnout.
Yeah. Well, you know, you're just going to see more and more of this. Give us a tour of a lot of homes with, solar and electrical modifications for sustainable housing and stuff. And she was kind enough to drive us around today. It was really, really nice. We enjoyed it.
Good. It was an awesome tour.
Yeah,
Did you ever been in an electric car before? Yeah.
We have, but very briefly and only
Well,
once.
I have a hybrid electric. It's got a gas engine. I've got a clear undercarriage, so it gets about 50 miles on electric charge. So are you ready to jump in and take a full? That's what he wants to do, but he can't.
I enjoyed riding around in the Leaf. It was really nice and it's comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, I want the Ford, or I want the Tesla Model X,
or I want the Rivian,
or I want a Fisker. I don't know what I want.
You know, but I have to force myself to use this.
What's another thing I like about the electrical vehicles is there's, from a pure number of parts to deal with on it, there's so many fewer parts in an electric vehicle. Yeah. That's awesome. Yeah. And you know, we're talking about moving parts, that's like nil compared to, you know, the engine. Joe Wallace.
And what kind of car do you drive?
So it's a 2020 Chevy Bolt Premier package.
Yeah. How do you like it?
I love it.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's super fun to drive. It's I like that it's a little, it's a little car.
Yeah.
So it's kind of fun to weave through traffic and.
You don't drive like that.
No, I mean if I need to merge.
Yeah. There you go.
I love that it's almost no maintenance. It's quiet when you drive it, and it's super fun to drive. Like, even though it's small and unassuming, it's sporty and fun. I drove it to the top of Mount Evans, which is the highest paved road in North America, and it did great. Electric cars are great going uphill. And what's funny is I left Denver with 180 miles of range, got to the top of Mount Evans with about 15 miles of range, and was a little scared. But it regenerates as you go downhill, and so I ended up back home with about 70 miles. So that's kind of a cool learning experience about how you can basically refuel just coasting downhill.
Totally. Yeah. So are you from Colorado?
I am. I've lived here about 5 years.
Oh, okay. I appreciate it.
So I think right now it's like 48,000. But when I got it, because I ordered it a year and 2 months ago. I thought it was there. It's gone up. But I would think on the other hand, I would pay
Looks like the storm's blowing in. I don't know. Nobody's running to go inside.
Last run. No, you're good. Yeah,
Thanks for coming.
this is my son.
Yeah, I have something for you. Here you go.
Thank you. Right. Thank you.
There's always a first for a car show when the wind kicks up and knocks my posters down. I hope that's not as dangerous as it looks. But it does look like rain right there. So with the wind and the weather maybe coming in, oh, I got a sprinkle on my forehead. We packed up and we're just waiting for it to downpour here. This is a sexy show because we had all Tesla models, S3, X, and Y. It's hailing! Yeah, hear that? Hear that? Oh yeah, look. Look.
A few minutes later.
Sam Andersen. I drive a 2020 Nissan LEAF Plus 2 kWh battery. Well, I have to think about that because it's pretty much the only car, and 2016 LEAF before that I've driven for the last 7 years. Recently I drove it to Lyman, which is 95 miles each way from me, and it was exactly 100% of the battery capacity round trip. So I did stop and charge for 10 minutes in Bennett. Oh, you know, between the solar on my roof and the EV, which are an amazing combination, you know, driving on sunlight. So, you know, it saved me thousands of dollars. I saved about $1,500 a year just having that combination on the fuel costs. And then the solar also saves. It eliminates my electric bill on my house every year. 40 minutes the first time. So that's near Lizard Legend Pass. The solar isn't enough to charge my car all the time and eliminate all of my household electricity, but between that and some free charging at work, it never costs me anything to drive my electric car. It feels good, and knowing that it all comes from me on my system is awesome.
Yeah, well, thank you. Yeah. Okay, so here I am at Golden Real Estate. I'm way early. It's like 1:30 and 1:39. There's Jim Smith. The question is, which pairs of sunglasses do I wear? Because they gave out sunglasses again. Because I got some earlier today. Oh my God. I got that on video. He's the United Power. He's the United Power. Don't honk. I'm feisty. You want to fight? Yeah. Of you too, though. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. What is your name? And oh man, the audio is like, turn that off. So how much is this one?
This one,
Oh, no problem.
right on here.
Yeah, the cheater codes. This is great. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What kind of car do you drive?
That's really not fair. Are you going to edit this, I hope?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because we usually drive that.
Okay. Well, I love outtakes.
We also...
All right. So which car do you want to talk about first?
That's barely worth talking about.
Oh.
We just got that because we needed 1.5 cars.
yeah, that's...
But I'll tell you that if you want.
Sure. Okay, here, let's do this.
And Jan will tell you more about that later.
I know it's complete opposite with all these EVs.
It is. And with the price of gas going.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so cool. I'll let you plug in and stuff.
I'm inside.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. All the time, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah.
If I run into other gas-powered Mustangs, they all are right. So they see the other Mustang and it's not a real Mustang.
You know, like, well, I'm going to beat you anyway. Ha! That's awesome. Like that, yeah. I'm like, oh, but that's not a... I have the Nissan LEAF down here with all the posters.
Oh, I love
yeah.
it.
And I do road trips and car shows and get out there, meet new people and stuff. So, yeah. I should have known better. That's where you are. Hey! You got to do both, you know. Oh, this is great. That's great. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, look at this. It's all crooked here. Hi. Let's see if we get some rain. You know, I got you. Hey. Well, I love outtakes.
We also...